Picture this: you're watching a vibrant senior couple. They're walking on a sunny trail, laughing easily, or maybe sharing a joyful moment with their grandchildren. They are the picture of active, engaged living. What if I told you there is a single, powerful nutrient that acts like a trusted guardian for the two most important organs in your body as you get older: your heart and your brain? Imagine something that helps keep your heart strong and steady, while also supporting a sharp, clear mind. It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, the fantastic news is this guardian exists. It's not a miracle pill or a mysterious new invention. It's a natural nutrient that's likely already sitting in your kitchen or on your local grocery store shelf. It's one of the simplest, most research-backed tools we have for healthy aging. Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to talk in plain language about something you may have heard of but might not fully understand: omega-3 fatty acids. Think of them as a special kind of healthy fat, a true superstar for your golden years. Over the next few minutes, we're going to break down exactly what omega-3s are, and most importantly, we'll explore in simple terms how they work to support your heart's rhythm and your brain's brilliance. This isn't about complicated science lectures. It's about giving you clear, useful information that can help you make informed choices for your long-term health and vitality. So, whether you're looking to maintain your own well-being or you care for an aging loved one, you're in the right place. Let's discover together why this golden nutrient deserves a starring role in your journey to age well and live fully. Before we dive into all the amazing benefits, let's start with the most basic question: what in the world is omega-3? Don't worry, we'll keep this very simple. Think of your body like a high-performance engine. To run smoothly, that engine needs different types of high-quality fuel and oil. Omega-3s are like a premium grade of essential oil for your body. They are a specific type of healthy fat that is absolutely crucial for it to function at its best. Now, here's the key part. They are called essential fats because, unlike some other nutrients, your body cannot manufacture them on its own. You must get them from the food you eat or from supplements. It's like your body is a brilliant factory, but it's missing the raw materials to build this particular part. You have to supply them from the outside. Omega-3 is a family name, and there are a few main members. The two rock stars we are focusing on today, especially for seniors, are the ones found most abundantly in seafood. Let's call them the dynamic duo. One is great for supporting your heart and helping manage inflammation throughout your body. The other is a fundamental building block of your brain itself. You find this powerful pair working together in foods like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna. There's also a plant-based form found in foods like flax seeds and walnuts, but your body has to work very hard to convert it into the powerful duo, and it's not very efficient at doing so, especially as we age. So, for the strongest direct benefits to your heart and brain, we are primarily talking about the dynamic duo from fish and seafood. Now, let's talk about your heart, your lifelong, steady drumbeat. As we age, we want to do everything we can to support its strength and rhythm. This is where the omega-3 duo steps in as a true best friend. It supports your heart in three really smart, interconnected ways. First, think of inflammation like a small, smoldering fire inside your blood vessels. While a little fire is part of your body's normal repair system, a constant, low-grade smolder can damage the delicate lining of your arteries over time. Omega-3s act like a natural fire extinguisher. They help calm down this unnecessary inflammation, protecting the inner walls of your blood vessels and creating a healthier environment for your blood to flow. Second, omega-3s are famous for their supportive role with triglycerides. Triglycerides are a type of fat carried in your blood. While your body needs some, consistently high levels are not good for heart health. Consuming omega-3s regularly is one of the most effective dietary ways to help your body maintain healthier, lower levels of these fats, which takes a burden off your cardiovascular system. Third, this dynamic duo promotes overall artery health and flexibility. It encourages the inner lining of your blood vessels to relax and function better, which in turn supports healthy blood pressure levels. It also helps make any existing plaque, the sticky buildup inside arteries, more stable and less likely to cause problems. It's important to remember that omega-3 is a supportive and protective nutrient, a daily ally for your heart. It's not a magic cure, but a powerful part of a heart-healthy lifestyle. working quietly behind the scenes to keep your most vital muscle pumping strong for all of life's moments. Now, let's travel from your heart up to the command center, your incredible brain. Did you know that over half of your brain is actually made of fat? And not just any fat, a specific type of omega-3 is one of its most crucial building blocks. Think of your brain as a vast, complex network of wires, where every thought, memory, and instruction travels at lightning speed. For these signals to be sent clearly, the protective coating around each brain cell needs to be fluid and flexible. This is where that specific omega-3 comes in. It acts like a high-quality maintenance oil, keeping those cell membranes smooth and flexible. This allows for better, faster communication between all the different parts of your brain. But its job doesn't stop there. Just like in your heart, inflammation in the brain is a major concern as we age. This internal inflammation, along with the buildup of certain proteins, can slowly cloud cognitive function and is linked to memory decline. Omega-3 cells work as a protective shield here too, helping to cool this inflammation and support the brain's natural cleaning processes. This means they are actively involved in defending your brain's long-term health. Furthermore, by supporting the very structure of your brain cells and the vital spaces between them, omega-3 cells play a direct role in preserving memory, supporting learning, and even helping to regulate mood. It's a fundamental nutrient for keeping your mind sharp, resilient, and emotionally balanced throughout your later years. You might be thinking, okay, so it's good for my heart and good for my brain separately. But here's where the real magic happens. These two benefits are deeply connected, creating a powerful cycle of health that is especially important for seniors. Your heart and your brain are the ultimate partners, and they rely on each other completely. Think of it this way: a strong, healthy heart acts like a powerful and reliable pump. Its most important job is to send a steady, rich supply of oxygen and nutrients, including those precious omega-3 cells, up to your brain through your blood vessels. Your brain, which is incredibly active and hungry for energy, depends entirely on this consistent delivery to think, remember, and function at its best. In return, a sharp, well-functioning brain perfectly manages the intricate nervous system that controls your heart rate, blood pressure, and circulation. It's a beautiful, two-way relationship. By nourishing both of these vital organs with omega-3 cells, you are strengthening this essential partnership. This holistic support is key to maintaining not just longevity, but a high quality of life, promoting independence, vitality, and the ability to enjoy your days fully, connecting with loved ones and engaging in the activities you cherish. Omega-3 doesn't just support two separate parts. It fuels the very connection that keeps you going. Given all these incredible benefits, the next logical question is, am I getting enough of this important nutrient? For many seniors, the honest answer is often probably not. This is what we call the omega-3 nutrition gap. And it happens for a few very common and understandable reasons. First, let's talk about diet. The most potent source of the powerful omega-3 duo is fatty fish. However, many people simply don't eat enough of it. Maybe you don't enjoy the taste of fish, find it too expensive on a fixed budget, or are unsure how to cook it properly and safely. Perhaps you have concerns about mercury or other contaminants. On the other hand, plant sources like flax seeds provide a different form of omega-3 that our bodies must convert. And as we get older, this conversion process becomes much less efficient, so we get far less of the direct benefit. Second, our bodies themselves change with age. Our digestive system may not absorb nutrients from food as effectively as it once did. So even if you are eating some omega-3 rich foods, you might not be getting the full amount your heart and brain need to thrive. This combination of dietary habits and natural bodily changes creates a widespread gap. Recognizing this gap is not about blame. It's the first, crucial step in taking simple, proactive action to close it and support your health from the inside out. The best and most enjoyable way to fill this nutrition gap is always through delicious food. Your body recognizes and uses nutrients from whole foods beautifully. So, let's make it simple. Think of your omega-3 sources into main tiers. First, we have the top tier stars. These are foods packed with the powerful, ready-to-use omega-3 duo that directly supports your heart and brain. The champions here are fatty, cold water fish. Think of salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna. Aiming for just 2 servings about the size of your palm each week can make a wonderful difference. Canned fish like salmon and sardines are fantastic, affordable, and convenient options. Second, we have plant-based helpers. These include flax seeds best ground up, chia seeds, and walnuts. They contain a good type of omega-3, but remember, your body has to work hard to convert it. While they are excellent for overall health, they shouldn't be your only source if you're focusing on direct brain and heart benefits. You can also find some foods that are fortified with omega-3 self, like certain brands of eggs, milk, or yogurt. Check the labels. The key is to start small. Try adding a tablespoon of ground flaxseed to your morning oatmeal, or enjoy a tasty salmon burger for dinner. Every little bit adds up on your plate and in your body. Now, what if you really don't eat fish? Maybe you have an allergy, a strong dislike, or you follow a vegetarian diet. In that case, a high-quality supplement can be a reliable and effective way to ensure you get what you need. Think of it as a convenient nutritional safety net. If you choose to go this route, being a smart shopper is important. Look for a supplement that clearly contains both of the important omega-3 types we've been talking about. Many will simply say fish oil on the front. Check the supplement facts label on the back to confirm it lists both. If you are vegetarian or vegan, look for supplements derived from algae, which is where the fish originally get their omega-3 self from. It's a great direct source. Now, here is the single most important piece of advice. You must talk to your doctor before you start taking any new supplement. This is absolutely non-negotiable. Omega-3 self, especially in higher doses from supplements, can act as a mild blood thinner. Your doctor needs to know because it could interact with medications you might already be taking, like prescription blood thinners or even some over-the-counter pain relievers. They can advise you on the right type and a safe dosage tailored specifically for you. Your safety is the top priority. Let's bring it all together with a simple recap of the most important points to remember from today's conversation. First and most importantly, omega-3 self, specifically the types found in fish, are crucial nutrients for protecting both heart and brain health as we age. Second, they work their magic largely by helping to calm down harmful, chronic inflammation in your body, which is at the root of many age-related health concerns. Third, the very best way to get them is by enjoying fatty fish like salmon or mackerel about twice a week. And fourth, if you don't eat fish, a supplement can be a good alternative, but you must consult with your doctor first to ensure it's safe for you. It's that straightforward. You are not powerless in the face of aging. Small, consistent choices like adding a serving of fish to your weekly menu are powerful acts of self-care that invest directly in your vitality and independence. Aging well isn't about chasing a fountain of youth. It's about making thoughtful, informed choices that give your amazing body the best possible tools to thrive for years to come. Omega-3 fatty acids are one of the most powerful and well-researched tools you can have in your wellness toolkit. Now, I'd love to hear from you. This is where our community shares and learns. What is your favorite way to include omega-3 self in your diet? Do you have a go-to salmon recipe, or do you love sprinkling walnuts on your salad? Please share your tips and ideas in the comments below. You might inspire someone else with a simple, delicious idea. If you found this information helpful and clear, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps others find it. And if you want more straightforward, science-backed tips for living a vibrant, healthy life at any age, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and for investing this time in your health. Take care.